For the go yard bad, she gon' go fast. Murder that pussy, I told tags. I be in mine, you should be.
Yo, what's good with it, y'all? It's your boy. We back today. We are on my way to my job. As you can tell, I am in my work outfit right now. If you guys don't know, I am a service technician at Subaru. I'm an entry level, so I do like all the oil changes and the little maintenances. But today I got off early because I needed to go to an appointment. But right now I am on my way back because there's some work that we need to do to the Mustang today. The work that I need to get done is fixing my exhaust, and that's one. My exhaust is I took it down because I was hearing like this rattling noise, and when I put the exhaust back up, the one thing that I forgot to do was make sure that it was sitting even coming out the back. So I've been having a lot of rubbing problems, and you know, when I'm leaving places or when I'm parking in stalls, I've noticed that my exhaust scrapes everything. So I just need to raise it up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Another thing, it's very small, but it's been bothering me for a minute. I would say that is my third brake light. Now, it's supposed to be set up to where when you turn on your blinker, it blinks, okay? I did that, but what I didn't know is that I was gonna have to run a wire not only to the left turn signal, but also to the right turn signal. So I'm gonna have to take the trunk apart and go ahead and add another wire and run that wire over if I can find any wires, or I'm gonna see if I have to add or buy a wire. I don't know. We definitely gonna see what I gotta do at that point. Oh, we're gonna make this. But yeah, so I'm getting into that today. I might not get into doing the wiring today, but I'm definitely gonna get the exhaust done today and get that fixed because I've been pushing it off for a minute and I just need to hurry up and do it. And I think today, since it's a very slow day at work, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll get back to you guys when I get to my job and when I'm getting ready to rack the vehicle up. Yay! All right, you guys, so I made it to work and I'm about to get ready to rack up the car. I currently have an RO for it. So I'm gonna point out what I was talking about. I don't know if you could kind of see it, but you can see that the exhaust is sitting kind of low, like on both ends. I want them to be a little more flush. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna start racking up the vehicle right now and getting it in the air. And I'm gonna start unbolting the exhaust so I can get that fixed up right now. All right, I got it up, but I had to like lift the car up by hand. All right, let's shake test it, make sure it's good. All right, seems good. Here we go, guys. Everything on here looks good. I got some leftover, what do you call this stuff? It was something, it was kind of like JB Weld, because I thought I was having some kind of like exhaust leak right there, but it turned out to not be a leak. So let's get a tool cart. Boom, there we go. All right, so I'm loosen. So we're gonna loosen this end first. Not all the way, but just a little bit. And from there, it should be loose already, but let me go ahead and get maybe a flathead or something. Long flathead. Let's see. All right, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, but we doing it. There we go. Did that break it? All right, I think that loosened it. Yep, there it is. All right, so I mainly just wanted to get it to loosen like so. I'm gonna put this aside because I'm gonna need it again. And now it shouldn't be able to come up, but I should hopefully, yes, you see that, guys? I should now be able to adjust it. Because like, see, right there, it was down. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if I push it up, it twists more. So right now I'm moving it up so it can sit even instead of sitting like this. So There we go. Move it up to the top. Okay, I just moved it down again. All right, boom. That should be perfect right there. Now if you see it, it sits evenly, and that one is still sitting like this. So this is how I want this to sit. I don't think it can be any better than this. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down, but I'm also push it up at the same time because I see that it moves. Oh my God, hold on. That blew. I'm gonna push up on the exhaust again, and I'm gonna just drill it. Boom, just like that. All right, now I need to loosen this one. There we go. Don't want to take the nut off all the way, but just loosen it enough to break it loose. And then I'm gonna bang it now. Okay, I don't think that quite, okay, there it is, there it is. All right, cool. So I set this back down here. All right, I like my clamps to be adjusted to where they're not facing the ground, but still up right there. There we go. Let's move this back, hold on. All right, boom. That should be cool right there. I definitely want that to be up, so like if I ever hit any big bumps or anything, it won't hit the ground. So this one right here, I might have to move it up just a little bit because I don't like how it sits like that. The last thing I want is my exhaust to, like, is my car to bottom out, and I end up hitting the ground and hitting that. So now I should be able to adjust it up just like so. As that sits right there, I like how it's sitting. It's more even and it's more like flat. It's not curved sitting like this. So I'm gonna move that up like this. Then same thing I did on that side. I'm gonna hold it up where I want it, and I'm just gonna drill the hell out of it. Try to keep that little block right there. Hold on, I gotta back it out. There it is. I think the gun died. Or did I? Oh no, I accidentally pushed it on. Boom, there it is. That low-key hurt my ears, but we good. Okay, now it looks like that side is higher than that side. So I want to push this side up a little bit. And the good thing is, I'm gonna have to take this off anyways and fix the way the clamp is anyway. So we'll go ahead and break it loose again. Like so. And I'm just gonna move it up to about right here. I went ahead and fixed that clamp, so it shouldn't leak now once I tighten this up. And then we're gonna do this one. I fixed this one as well. All right, boom. I didn't want to push this one up too much because I feel like it's already like up enough, but as you could tell, it's sitting pretty good now. And I did cover up where it was leaking at, so it should not leak. We're gonna see once we bring it down and start it. I recently did an oil change that I'm starting to see that I am leaking oil. I put a new one on every oil change, and this one just continuously leaks oil, as you can tell. So we do currently have an oil leak on the Mustang right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and I've been pushing it off. I really need to get one of those aftermarket ones that you could put on and do a quick oil drain where it just has like a little latch on it. All right, guys, so I am now going to, damn, let's not smash Jerry's cart. All right, I'm now gonna lower the car. Basically, once I lower it down a little bit, I'm just gonna back up to about like over there and just see if they sit evenly like how I want it to sit. I'll get back to you guys once it's on the ground. All right, you guys, so I got it on the ground. As you can tell, it sits nice and evenly now. The exhaust is sitting flush up there. It's not curved how it was before, where it was kind of leaning down a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start it just to make sure it's not having any exhaust leaks. There we go. I still got the car somewhat on the racks just in case I do hear any leaks, but here we go for the startup. Sounds good so far. Don't hear any exhaust leaks. Alright, I'm gonna give it a rev and see how it sounds. Here we go, y'all. Sounds good. Doesn't sound like it's leaking anymore. So that's it for that problem. Now let's go ahead and look at that third brake light that we have set up right there at the bottom. So like I said about this light, I want to check the wiring and see if I can maybe rewire it so then it'll link up to both tail lights and not just this one tail light. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get some stuff taken apart to show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I took out this panel that goes about right here, and I just went to go look at like the wiring. So I have it ran through this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, and up to the connector that I forgot to plug back in. But the problem is, no, I can rewire it, but I'll get that in a minute. I'm dropping my tools. I can rewire it, but the thing is I don't have wire, and I thought that maybe the wire had like an extra wire that I didn't see. So I am for now going to just leave it alone until I maybe order some more wires or something to split off that wire and run over to the next one, which is this side that we're talking about needs to be connected to that third brake light. For now, I think we're just gonna leave it at, you know, fixing the exhaust today. And then I'll definitely save that process of doing the light for another video, because it's definitely a process within itself right there. But I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I never thought I'd be recording at work, kind of crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go down in the comment section and let me know what else you guys want to see me do. That'll be the end of this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit notifications for your boy, and hit that like button. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.